Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a pin on Pinterest. If you saw my last tutorial, I talked about how a lot of bloggers and business owners have been claiming that Pinterest is the #1 way to drive traffic to your business website or to your blog. So it's really important that you're focusing on building up your Pinterest and then you're utilizing it not just to repin pins from other people that you're following or that you're seeing in your feed, but to also be pinning in order to drive traffic to the destination of your choice. So let me show you how to do that. The last video I showed you how to create a pin, so we're going to upload one of those pins that I created here to my Pinterest. So when you get to your Pinterest, there are a couple different places that you can create a pin from. And the place I'm going to show you right now is up here in the navigation bar. So you're going to want to click on that and select Create Pin. Once you select that, this little window is going to pop up, and you are going to first want to upload the pin that you created in Canva, like I showed you earlier. So you're going to click on that and give that a second to pull up your browser, and this is the one that I want to upload. All right, and then from there, you're going to add the URL that the pin links to. So I have my blog opened up. This is the page that I want that pin to go to when someone clicks on it. So you'll see the graphic here that I created, and then the blog post below that. So I want anyone who clicks on this pin to come to this page. So I'm just going to select the URL, click Command-C to copy it, go back to Pinterest, and hit Command-V to paste that in there. So then the description. I've been working through some articles talking about description within Pinterest. And so obviously the more specific you are, the better. You don't want to say anything like punny or really off the cuff. You want it to be pretty precise so that anyone searching for this is going to be a little bit more likely to come to your page. So I'm going to say reputable resources. Okay, so I added in this little part about the bloggers that I mentioned in this post, Michelle from Making Sense of Sense, Alex and Lauren from Create and Go, and then obviously Jenna Kutcher. I talked about them in the article. I had links to their blogs and specific posts in my article. So this is what I decided to write my description about. I may go back in later and edit it differently, but this is what I'm going to do for right now. So I'm going to click Done. And then I'm going to choose where I want to pin that. So I'm going to post that under Blog Tips and click Save. And I'm going to click on that just to see what it looks like. And there it is. That's really all that you have to do in order to add things to your Pinterest that you created on your own. And then once we click on that, it will take you directly to the post or the page that you linked it to. So I hope you found this helpful. Like I said, super easy, super quick, not difficult to do at all. As always, if you have any questions about anything mentioned in this video or in general, please don't hesitate to reach out. And thank you so much for watching. I will talk